You are looking for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 best deals, where you can get it for less, where you can save a lot of money. Well, in today's video, I'm going to provide you guys with that information, where you can go, where you can buy it, how much more money you can save in each of the places. Welcome to Tech Needs. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is probably the hottest phone at this moment. Not only is hot because it's hot, but it's also hot on price. It's $17.99 or $18.99. It just depends which one you want. One comes at 256 gigabytes of storage. That is the $17.99, and the 512 gigabyte storage unit for $18.99. Now, before I go on, just make sure which one you want to purchase. The reason why I tell you this is because you cannot upgrade the memory. You're going to be stuck with 256 or you're going to be stuck with 512 gigabytes. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is available in three colors: Phantom Black, Phantom Green, and Phantom Silver. Now, what you want to know is, where can I save all this money? Where can I go? I don't want to spend too much time just trying to figure out where the best deals are. Don't worry, I got you. One of them is Best Buy. Best Buy is offering so many deals. Yeah, you probably just go there and get the best deals. But wait till the end of my video. I will tell you guys where exactly you need to go to save the most money. But let's get started with Best Buy, see what they got. Okay, Best Buy is offering a lot of different savings. One of them depends on what you really want to do, like if you want to trade in your phone or if you want to add it to your own personal bill. So we have four different companies here. The first one is going to be Verizon. Verizon is giving you $200 off credit, and you're able to pay this off in 30 months. This is 22%. The next one is AT&T. They're giving you $200 off from Samsung credit, and you get to pay this in 36 months. This is also 22% off the original price. So if you're paying it off for 36 months, you're going to be paying about $39 each month. The next one is T-Mobile. Now, T-Mobile is really playing hardball here. T-Mobile is giving you $500 off without trade-in, or you can get $1,000 off with a trade-in. But there's also a but in everything. Don't worry, not everything is free. You always got to read those little buts, because it also depends on the quality and if your device is also tradable. Don't worry, most of the 2021 and 2020 devices are tradable. It just depends if it's newer and better quality and you've taken care of that phone, you're going to get more money in return. Now, next one is going to be Sprint. Is giving you a 24 monthly installment. They're going to give you $400 off, and you're going to get about from that 22%, and the phone comes out to be $13.99, almost $1,400. And the last one is going to be, I'm not going to let you know that yet because I have more deals. You can also go to Amazon and try to purchase it right from there at $17.99, or you can head over to Verizon. Now, if you go to Verizon, Verizon is offering $1,000 off of a second device with a new unlimited plan. So what is the heck does that mean? Well, what it means is that if you buy the Fold 3, and let's say you have your friend, you have your brother, girlfriend, or whoever with you, and you tell them, come with me, I can give you the Z Flip 3 for free. Yes, FREE. You're able to get that Galaxy Z Flip 3 for free by just paying $1. That's all you got to pay. And that's what Verizon is giving you right now, those best deals. And next one is AT&T. AT&T is also offering you $1,000 if your trade-in is eligible. Remember what I told you about taking care of that phone? Well, you should have taken care of that phone because you could have gotten a lot more money. So you're able to get that for $799. And also, they're giving you about 50% off of any of the Samsung accessories that you're able to purchase. Now, you got to the end of the video and you want to know, where is the best deals? Well, guys, the best deals are from the same place, from the company that makes this phone, and that is Samsung.com. They are giving you about up to $1,000 off. Now, you can get the 256 gigabyte Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 for $750. That's 42% off. You get to pay only $1,049.99 if your trade-in is acceptable. Now, if you're taking care of that phone, it is not cracked, all the functions work good, you get able to trade in that phone and you get up to $750. Now, you also can do the same thing for the 512 gigabytes. You can trade it in and you are going to end up paying $1,149.99. So there you go, guys. Those are the best deals. Those are the places that you can go now and get your Samsung Z Fold 3. Now, if you don't want to pay that hefty price of $17.99 or $18.99, you can go to those places. All the links that I'm talking about are going to be in my description. Just head over there, click on them, and go straight to those places. Or if you can, go there physically yourself. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech needs. And don't forget to hit that like. This is John, and I will see you guys on the next Tech Needs video.